Take it out, quickly!
Take what?
It's the syringe! Finally escaped.
Son! What's wrong now?
You're so silly.
Who's silly?
It's you. You're the silly one.
I was almost scared to death.
It hurts so much.
Where does it hurt?
You little lamb. I dare to charge at you. I'm the Lion King.
Is this the Lion King? You look just like a cat.